Hey, what's up guys and gals? If you've been watching my videos, you know I haven't made one in a while. I apologize. Been working a lot, but anyway, this is where I'm at. Got some hardwood floor. I have my bed slash couch in. I stopped the hardwood floor right there because I'm doing something different back here. But anyway, let me check out. Let me show you this. All right, so the couch slash bed, when it's in bed mode, it stretches out like it is right now, out to basically 37 inches, which is basically like a twin size. It matches up with this bench right here. This is a separate piece from this piece. It's on hinges, so you can access the storage underneath. Right now, like I said, it's in bed mode. The back section back here, I have plywood there, but I need to rip that down a little bit more so when I open it up it doesn't hit onto it. But I also haven't fastened these down yet because I have to work on my heater. I'm putting in some duct work to run my heater vents. I'm probably going to have one facing this way and then probably facing one into that back section back there, but I haven't made up my mind 100%. But anyway, that's that. So I just need to rip these down, which means trim, you know, maybe a quarter of an inch or an inch or whatever off of that, so when I push this bed in like so, sorry, like so. It's kind of hard doing it with one hand, but then you fold this up like so, and then you have storage underneath. I have hinges on there as well. I'm probably going to find a way to prop this up so it doesn't, so I don't have to hold it with my hand. I have plans for probably putting some type of felt or something underneath here so it doesn't scratch up the floor. I'm also going to finish the front of it with some trim of some sort. Well, not some sort, but I already know what I'm going to do. But it's going to be pretty awesome when it's done. Like I said, these right there will fit like that. That'll be flush with that. I'll put my cushions on top of that. This right here, I'm going to put these on top of here, so this will be flush with this. And then I'll put the cushions on here. But there's my little L-shaped couch. Pretty freaking awesome. Pretty cool. So then this will be flush with this. Everything will be cool. I put the cushions on there, and then when I slide this out into a bed, then the back cushion that's back here will just slide down and stick it in the thing. If you've watched any of these videos, you've seen that before. So if you haven't, basically use your imagination. I'm going to have cushions in the back, cushions on here. Once I slide this out, I'll just slide the whole cushion that's on the ground or on the part you sit on all the way out to here, and then the part that's on the back where you put your backrest, I'll just stick that back in the little thingy. Yeah, man, I am stoked. I'm happy with where I am. This is so cool. If you haven't watched any of my videos, go back and check them out. I appreciate you checking this one out. And subscribe, like, comment, all that good happy stuff. And if you have been watching my videos, I appreciate it. If you're following me, I appreciate it, all that good stuff. If you've subscribed, it's awesome, I appreciate it. So yeah, man, this is where I'm at. This is where my van is, and got a lot of cool ideas for this van coming up. So subscribe, man, check it out, dude. Alrighty, y'all have a good day. Later.